Good after morning or evening or in the afternoon. Hey, my name's Scott Clark and I'm just here to give you a little preview of what's going on. And we're zooming up here a little bit. On our left we have a couple power supplies, actually for running the test for getting the mast to move with a field generated from a coil repulsing a magnetic field. Of course, the circuit right now is out, and I have a variety of meters, digital meters, temperature meters, and then there's a capacitor, a scope meter, and a 4-channel scope. In the back we have the gauge meter, and we'll be calibrating that in a second here. Right now that one channel's got a little floating stray energy. This is 60 cycles that floats around all over the place. 0.4 volts, at least 2 gradients. Anyways, so pretty much we take this calibration magnet, and I've got the probe out. It's got a little schematic here I've been working on. Try to do this with the other hand. Okay, there we go. So that's actually inserted into a groove in the magnet. That's just a calibration point. And over here I'm on the black scale on top, which is 10, and that's in the 10,000 gauge range. This is a 1,000 gauge magnet, so it's been calibrated to there's an increment in the 10x scale. So let's see, it moves like right. And this scope here actually is monitoring voltages right now, but what I plan on doing is having that data record the pulses, and that way I can see any lag or delay in the timing of the pulsing, and then offset it with up here. Let's say if I turn on the power supply, external power supply is a substitute for a coil that feeds us, and that LED right there can close and open a switch. Of course, down here I have this little box, and I move my finger under there, you can see that thing blink. I have to actually find a coarse tuning for the pulsing. I found external so I can wire it outside of the box. And these 14 coils are generating the juice. It comes back around, it's going to go through a capacitor to filter it, get more DC. And then over here we have a little circuit in the back here. It comes around and feeds over to this coil set. Now what I'm set up here to do is measure while it's running in the generation of the pulse is going to feed into this, so it will be creating a magnetic field, and I'm going to measure and see where we are as far as amount of gauze field strength at the top of the coil, actually surface, and probably do a 1/4 inch measurement too, because that's about what the gap is about approximately. Anyways, that's all for the updates on now. We'll talk to you a little later.